What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to our channel. So y'all, it is Super Bowl Sunday, so if your team is in the Super Bowl, that's what's up. Y'all know my heart is still a little bit hurt because my Packers are not in the Super Bowl. We lost to the Niners. The Niners did go to the Super Bowl. I am hurt. I am super duper hurt, but the Niners are my brother's team and a lot of my family's team, so woo woo, go Niners. I'm going for the Niners. Hopefully they can pull it out and make like my brother and my family happy, but I'm devastated. But I'm headed to church. Yes, edges. Okay, my puff a little dry, but yes, edges. Yes, sideburns. Yes, face. Okay, guys, so we're officially out of church. Y'all already know I got a good word, and I'll share the word with y'all at the end of the video. If you didn't go to church and you want to get the word, stick around. Before we get the vlog started, I'm now accepting members of the Danny Gang. So if you want to be a member of the Danny Gang, I'm jumping people in right now. So all you got to do is press subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you're a lifetime member. But you got to know how to fight, because I'm about to jump y'all in right now. So click the two bells. Click the subscribe and click the bell, and y'all are a lifetime member. You just got to fight me, and then you win. Period. Y'all, being a member of the Danny Gang is literally like being in the secret cult. Like, I can't even lie. It's lit over here. So click subscribe. We are about to go to Five Below. Y'all, I haven't been to Five Below in a very long time. I haven't went to Dollar Tree. Like, y'all, I really have not been spending unnecessary money, and my bank account is flourishing. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, guys, I'm at Five Below. Y'all, they still have so much fitness stuff. Let me show y'all. They got yoga socks, jump ropes, hand massage rollers, gloves. So y'all, they legit still have so much fitness stuff here at Five Below. They got water bottles, they got yoga mats, fitness balls. And then they even have the step risers. This is a 2-pack for $4. They got the step risers that you use like at the gym when you take like those fitness classes. They got the fitness twister, and this is actually something I think I'm gonna pick up because I think I can utilize this. They got scales. They even have a firm massage roller that you can buy. Like, y'all, they still have so much fitness stuff. So I'm happy I came, because I'm about to start hitting the gym again really hard. But I wanted to come and show y'all everything that they have. They got jump ropes. They got slimming bands. They got the microfiber towels. They got the yoga towels. They got the yoga bag. They got yoga mats, y'all. They even got weighted vests, upper body push, the upper body power push. They got the ab wheel roller, medicine balls. Y'all, Five Below is lit. They even got this personal training and workout diary that you can fill in, which looks like it probably be really helpful. And again, y'all know everything in here is $5 and below, so nothing is expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking around. I just wanted to tell y'all that they still have so much fitness stuff. It's ridiculous. So if you need cheap fitness stuff, don't make excuses. Come to Five and Below if you got one. All right, I'll be back. Here goes a big box of these fitness dice. Y'all said that I showed you this ball before because I have this one. But yeah, this is where I got it. And basically, if you don't know what you want to do in the gym, you can just toss this ball around for like 30 minutes. And each side says something different. So 15 jumping jacks, water break, 10 burpees, etc. So yeah, they're $3 at Five Below. And they even have the yoga one. So now I'm looking at the books. They have this unofficial Harry Potter spell book. Like, I'm low-key gonna buy this. Y'all know I love Harry Potter. So inside they have like all the spells, and then they tell you like how to pronounce them and what each spell is for, and what J.K. Rowling, you know, meant by the spell, and notes and stuff like that. So I think this is really dope. If it's $3, I'm gonna buy it. If it's $5, I'm gonna pass. So yeah. They even have a keto cookbook I want to show y'all. So right here they have a keto cookbook. It's $5. I would purchase this, but I feel like we can like Google recipes and we can like watch YouTube videos. But if you're the type of person that wants like an actual cookbook, they do have keto cookbooks in Five Below. It tells you the net carbs, it tells you the recipe, and it also gives you a picture. So this is a good book if you want to like collect cookbooks, or if you need something in the house. But anyway, it's a lot of copyright, so I just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, so now we're in Walmart and I'm trying to just get some groceries before everybody coming here, like for the Super Bowl. But I wanted to show y'all why is everything on clearance in the ladies' clothing. So y'all know I'm finna spend some time over here because I'm not rich and I like Walmart clothes, so I'm definitely finna spend some time over here. Everything is on clearance, looks like. Look at all these yellow freaking balloons. So yeah, we're about to spend some time in the clothes. I just wanted to let y'all know we are at Walmart now, and I'm excited because I'm about to clothes shop. I actually do need like more work clothes. I'll show y'all what I got to eat for the week later on, but yeah, I wanted to show y'all everything's on clearance here. So if you got Walmart, which everybody does, y'all better go over there because literally everything's marked down. Literally. So y'all, I'm in Walmart like I said, and I'm in the shoes because I wear Walmart shoes and clothes. And I came across these. I'm in the kids section because I wear 3 in kids. Why these look like Jordans? Like, okay, Walmart. These look like little foam posits. These look like little Timberland boots. Yo, these got me. They look real. Honey. Period. I just want to come and show y'all. They got the Jordans. They got the foam posits. They got the Tims. Foam posits. Y'all, these look real. I'm shocked. But anyway, I just wanted to come and show y'all because I'm looking for a pair of black shoes. And I get my black shoes out of here. And these look like the real deal. Okay, Walmart. I'm literally pulling into the gas station. I wasn't even paying attention. Look at where my gas at, y'all. Hold on, let me pull in. Y'all, look where my gas at. Baby. My gas is like on EEE. And hopefully my mom don't see this because my mom always says keep our gas tank at least at half. I don't know what happened, y'all. I was just rolling. I was just cruising. But yeah, my gas is like on EEE. But I made it to the pump. I just had to show y'all, like, I was trying to find like cheaper gas because gas out here is like $2.30. And I saw like gas for $2.11. So I was like, ooh, I'm going to wait until I see $2.11 again. But I got to settle for $2.23 because I'm not going to make it home. So yeah, I just had to show y'all. Okay guys, so I'm about to show y'all what I picked up because it's not a lot. Y'all know sometimes I take it in the house, sometimes I just do it in the car in case I forget. So yeah, I'm just about to show y'all what I got. So today I got this big bag of classic iceberg salad. I'm not too picky about salad, so I just got this big bag because it'll last me the whole week. So that's what I got. And then I also got, I got 2 cucumbers to go on my salads because in a week, I just really like tomatoes and cucumbers in my salad. So I got cucumbers and then I got 4 tomatoes. And these tomatoes are going to be used for burgers and salad and if I do tacos again. So I got 4 tomatoes. I got a pack of burgers. So this is ground beef chuck, and then I just got the burgers, the 4 burgers, because I'm gonna do burgers with the 0 carb buns this week. So I think I'm gonna do that like 2 days this week. So I just got this pack of burgers. I also grabbed another little round of ground beef, and this could be used for tacos or whatever else I decide to make. I might do a chili or like a taco soup. So yeah, I just got some ground beef. And then I got 3 more of these strawberry drinks because like I said, I love every flavor, but strawberry is my favorite. So I got 3 of those. And then I also got tuna because last week worked out amazing. So I got tuna. I got herb and garlic. I got ranch. I got sweet and spicy. I got another ranch. And then I'm also going to try salmon this week. Some ladies in my comments was like, girl, you should try salmon. So I'm going to do salmon. I only got 1 because I don't know if I like it. But yeah, I got salmon. And then all these packs have 1 carb of Yeah, it has 1 gram of carbs. I think the only one that has more is the sweet and spicy, but I just got it, y'all, because it's so good. Yeah, this one has 4, so that's a little bit much for lunch, but I got it anyway because it's so good. I got a thing of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna take this to work for my coffee in the morning. What else did I get from Walmart? Okay, that's all the food. If I got anything else, I'll show you guys it once I get in my room and settled. I just wanted to come show y'all the food in case I forget. See y'all in a second. Okay, guys, so I wanted to come back and show y'all what I got at Five Below, and then I'm also going to show y'all the things that were not food related that I got from Walmart. So I guess we'll do Walmart first, since I just showed y'all part 1 of Walmart, which was the groceries. So yeah, another thing that I decided to pick up at Walmart, which was like $2, was this 5-pack of meal prep food storage containers. So yeah, these are just your basic storage containers. I'm actually going to go ahead and open it up because I'm about to wash them and like meal prep my salads and stuff. I don't typically meal prep, and I think somebody had asked me this like under a video. I don't meal prep just because I get tired of food and bored with food really quickly. So meal prepping does not really work for me, but I did say I was gonna try. I know that I enjoy having a salad every day like I had last week, so I can go ahead and prep my salads and then just bring my tuna packs to work. That way each day I can decide like if I'm feeling like lemon pepper, if I'm feeling like ranch, but I'll already have my salad prepped. So this is what they look like. They come with 5 clear plastic containers, and then they come with the black container. I think this is a really good size like for lunch. So this was the first thing I picked up, this 5-pack of meal prep food storage containers, and again it was like $2 and something. Another thing that I picked up at Walmart was this clear brow and lash brush. This is a staple. It has one side for the eyebrows and one side for the eyelash. I typically only use the eyebrow one, and it's just for when I fill my eyebrows in and I may need like a wax or thread and they kind of going everywhere. I'll use this clear brush to lay down the flying hairs. Another thing that I picked up was a new brush. So I picked up this ultimate blending brush to replace the foundation brush that I'm using now. It's cruelty and vegan free. I really like e.l.f. products. I think that they are really good for the price they are, but this brush was $6, so we're gonna test this out. Y'all let me know down below, and this is what I have been trying to ask y'all. Please, my makeup people, let me know down below, what is your favorite drugstore brushes to use? Like, what are the brushes or what are the brands? And then I also need help with under bag eyes and dark circles. Leave me some products down below. Leave me some products. I've been watching YouTube researching like what product is going to help me get these like bags, because I can kind of see it right here. I kind of have bags and dark circles under my eyes. So what do you guys do to eliminate that? Let me know down below, because I really need to know. So I got that from Walmart, and then I just picked up another white towel, and it's like 40 cents or 30 cents. And I like to use this white towel to like kind of take off my excess makeup after I wash my face and do all of that. I like to use white towels so that I can see if the makeup is gone. So I just picked that up. That's all I got from Walmart. And then from Five Below. So yeah, I showed y'all Five Below is lit. Like, they had so much freaking stuff. But I didn't pick up that much. So the first thing from Five Below that I picked up was this Body Benefits Scrub and Smooth Exfoliating pumice stone, and I'm just going to be using this like on a regular basis for the bottom of my feet. The bottom of my feet don't typically look bad, but when I got my toes done yesterday, the lady doing my toes at the Good Shop, she told me to get this pumice stone and just do my feet when I'm in the shower. And my mom actually does this, as well as my mom uses a pet egg to keep her feet all soft and smooth. So this was the first thing I picked up, and it was $2.22. The second thing that I picked up from Five Below were these fitness gloves, and they were $3. I got the purple ones in a size medium, and I just needed some new gloves. I'm going to get back in the gym really hard this week, so I wanted to get some gloves because I plan on weightlifting and stuff. So yeah, I got these fitness gloves. They were $3. The next thing that I got from Five Below was this tempered glass screen for my Apple Watch. Right now my Apple Watch is not protected, so I usually get them from Five Below when I don't order them offline. So yeah, I got this tempered glass screen from my Apple Watch that I'm gonna apply tonight, because I like to keep all of my electronics safe, as everyone should. So I find that these work really, really, really good. So I got that. Another thing that I guess is like kind of techie or electronic wise are these webcam blockers. So these were $3. I have been seeing these kind of here and there, and when I saw them in Five Below, I was like, oh yeah, bet, let me get these. So basically you can put them on your laptop, your MacBook or whatever, and you can slide it to close it and open it. So I think these are really beneficial. Y'all know I have a work laptop, so I think these will come in handy like at work, and then I also can put one on my MacBook, and it's just more protective. Y'all know it's a lot going on nowadays with people getting kidnapped and all type of stuff, so I got these webcam blockers just to protect myself. The next thing that I got is kind of like a two-part. So I got these two items. So I got this really cool incense holder, and it says find your balance. So I can put the incense in the hole, and then it'll stand up and kind of just the smoke will come out and it'll smell good. So I got this find your balance incense holder, and then I got 10 incense, and they're a little bit high at Five Below, but I went ahead and grabbed 10 of these. So I believe this plate was $3, and then I got 10 incense for like $1.50. And then the last thing I got from Five Below was this platform 3 4/4 King Cross Station. So if you know me, you know I love Harry Potter, so I thought this was really cool to put my house key on, and it's all about Harry Potter. This is the platform that he takes to go to Hogwarts. So yeah, if you're not a Harry Potter fan, you would know. You can just skip past this, but yeah, I got this for my house key because I'm gonna redo my keys. So yeah, I thought this was really cute, and that was all that I got from Five Below and Walmart. Oh, and let me share the word. So basically today's word at church really hit home, because I like being independent. I like doing stuff by myself, but today's word was basically saying we need a village. We can't do everything alone, and it's about being together. So we need to find people in our lives that we can learn from, that we can grow from, that we can confide in, and we can trust. And I think it's really important that we do have those things, because we can't do everything alone. There's no I in team. I know some people say it's a me-though, but no, there's no I in team. We need that support system, and they were particularly talking about small groups. Have a small group, whether it's people you really know, whether it's online influencers, whether it's us on YouTube. Just have a group that you can come to and just be open with and wholeheartedly share everything with. And I just think it's beneficial, because sometimes we hold things in because we don't have nobody to talk to, and then we explode. So that was pretty much the word today. Just build a group, build a village that will help you succeed. And I really enjoyed it. But anyway, guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and drop the little watch down below. Drop a little watch down below for the Apple Watch. And I'll see you guys on my next video, reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the like button and tap the bell. Bye.